Hello everybody, I am Gopi Krishna, lecturer in mathematics from Hyderabad. I have been in teaching field since 15 years. So I have taught to thousands of students. In that, so many students got good ranks and top ranks, just like state ranks and district ranks. I have started the online teaching. Most of the people are relying on online teaching. So I have started around 8 months back. Right now I'm having 50 plus students are there on online coaching. So I'm giving mathematics for 6th standard to intermediate standard for all boards of students. And I used to teach in English medium, Telugu medium, and if anybody wants, I can teach in Hindi medium also. I have spoken to so many students. Basically, the drawback of the students, what I observed is they are trying to remember the mathematics. But in my way, I never try to force the students to remember the subject. So we want to give some live examples. And once they understand the examples, we have to give the concept. Once they understand the concept, automatically they will do it. So whenever they are doing their own, they will get interest. That means they are using the applications properly. Automatically they love the subjects. So once they love the subject, automatically they improve their scores. So that is my main success of teaching from so many long years. To get the interest along with online coaching, because so many people are boring with online teaching, so sometimes we'll use the screen sharing for main topics, and we'll conduct online quizzes and one-to-one sessions, interaction with parents, interaction with the students, and online tests. So many varieties of the questions will be asked during the live sessions. At the same time, I am very eager to explain the doubts, especially in live sessions. That means whenever the students raise the doubt, instantly if you clarify the doubts, they'll be very happy. And we use exclusively blackboard teaching. So this is also one of my secret for success in online teaching. And at the same time, long back only I have got the Florida certification from USA, from 5th standard to intermediate standard, that is 12th grade students. So I used to teach for 6th class to intermediate students mathematics for all states, and have the students from various countries also. I used to teach for London students and USA students for different timings, and I have the students from all over India, and I have collaborated with Sulekha. So they are also giving some encouragement for me. They are bringing so many tutors, best tutors, experienced people to the live action. So live teaching, everybody will happy. So I am also very happy to as a part of the Sulekha member, Sulekha faculty. So at the same time, so my experience and teaching efforts, whatever we have explained here, everything will be looking forward for the students' success only. I hope they will utilize the chances and they can improve their score. So thank you very much.